bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top. No, 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 you're going bottom, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. And 5 more. 4 more. Look forward. 2 more. And last one. And let's do your right. Let's start from the top. So top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back. 5 more, and 4 more, and 3 more, 2 more, and last one. Let's do the 2 positions with both hands. Let's start with the left in the front and the right in the back. The left goes down and the right goes up. So this is exactly what we were doing with that cap a minute ago in the anti-spin portion. And then now you go up with the left and down with the right. Then down with the left and up with the right. Then up with the left and down with the right. Down with the left, up with the right. Up with the left, down with the right. Down with the left, up with the right. Up with the left, down with the right. Down with the left, up with the right. Up with the left, down with the right. Down with the left, up with the right. Up with the left, down with the right. Down with the left, up with the right. And let's try going once around, all the way. It looks like you have more trouble with your right hand in your front position and your left hand in your back position. It looks like this position is hard for you. If you think of the cycle, right? The cycle with the hands start and end on the opposite side of the body. One starts at 9, ends at 9, and one starts and ends at 3, right? So if you were looking at me doing it, my left hand starts and ends, as we've been practicing it, at your 9 o'clock. And my right hand starts and ends at my 3 o'clock. The thing is, I think what's happening is because we're starting in these positions are tougher for you to move through. So you need to switch it and do the pattern so you're starting the other way, where the left one is starting at the back and the right one is starting at the front, and you do a full cycle like this, left up, right down, bum, 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 and then hold. And then bum, 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 and then hold. So that you're moving through the position that's tough for you, which is this one. And I think it's tough in the repeated cycle because you're used to stopping there. Like if you always drew a circle starting on this one point, but like this side was never clean, and then you started doing this to go through to clean up that side. Same hand, but just mirror, do your same hand, your left hand, but start in the back position, so mirror me. And then let's go up, front, down, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 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 Up, front, down, back. 5, 6, 2 in a row, and up, front, down, back. Up, front, down, back. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, sure. Up, front, down, back. Up, front, down, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, front, down, back. Up, front, down, back. With your right hand, so face the other way, and then mirror me again with your, but use your right hand. And we'll start in the front for this one. So it'll go down, back, up, front. Down, back, up, front. Down, back, up, front. Now let's hold on the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, back, up, front. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, back, up, front. If we start here, let's try and go one time around. The left will go up, the right will go down. And then one time around, and then come back to where you started. And if you want, we can face the other way so that you can see me better when we start. So we can start like this. So 5, 6, 7, left up, right down. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, and left up, right down, bum, 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 bum. And 5, 6, 7, and left up, right down. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, left up, right down. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, left up, right down. Bum, 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 bum. 5, 6, 7, and left up, right down. 5, 6, 7, and left up, right down. 5, 6, 7, and left up, right down. And then are you starting with the same hand every time? Because you should. What you need to clean up is your timing, because you're going in and out of split time. So yeah, I hate to say these rudimentary drills will help, but you know, drills, they're good for your heart. The more you do, the better your art. The better your art, the better you feel. So do drills if you're for real. So let's do these where you hold this position and 8, 7, split time, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, left up, right down, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and left front, right back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left down, right up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left back, right front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left up, right down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and left front, right back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left down, right up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in 4s, and left back, right front, 2, 3, 4, left up, right down, 2, 3, 4, left front, right back, 2, 3, 4, left down, right up, 2, 3, 4, left back, right front, 2, 3, 4, left up, right down, 2, 3, 4, left front, right back, 2, 3, 4, left down, right up, 2, 3, 4.